You are special. A well-known speaker started his seminar by holding up a note of rupees 5,000. In the room of 200 people, he asked, "Who would like to have rupees 5,000?" Hands started going up. He said, "I'm going to give rupees 5,000 to one of you, but first let me do this." He proceeded to crumple the currency note up. He then asked, "Who still wants it?" Still the hands were up in the air. "Well," he replied, "what if I do this?" And he dropped it on the ground and started grinding it on the floor with his shoe. He picked it up, now all crumpled and dirty. "Now, who still wants it?"